What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, today's video, it's something that I have struggled with all my life, really, up until now. And we're gonna get right into it. It is how to get rid of dandruff, okay? I'm here with the tea. I've got the info that you need. This is part of the Glow Up series. You know what I'm saying? I said, you know what? Let's call this the Glow Up series. We're gonna talk about skin. We're gonna talk about, you know, health care, all them things. Listen, that's what we are going to talk about, your health. Am I the healthiest person? No, I'm not. But there are some things that do aid in the overall glow up, okay? Let's get into it. Listen, the first thing that you wanna do, the first thing that you want to do, okay, is drink a lot of water. I myself have been doing that like crazy, and you guys, I see the difference. I see the difference in my skin, my scalp, everything, okay? Drink plenty of water. Not only am I drinking water, I'm drinking alkaline water, okay? This is not a game. Keeping everything moving, flowing properly, okay? Because yes, as you are drinking this water, you will have to go to the bathroom. For those of you who don't drink water like you should. But literally your body is made up of mainly water. You need to drink it, because some people do not. I don't necessarily love the taste of water. However, alkaline water, it tastes pretty darn good. So I suggest you do that. Another way to get rid of dandruff, apple cider vinegar. It stinks. And you don't want to put it directly onto your scalp. You want to mix it with water, okay? Before you shampoo. Scrub it in, scrub your scalp. Dig up that dandruff in those flakes. I use my knuckles a lot, or my nails, whichever. Do that. Dig up the flakes. Apple cider vinegar does work. Another thing that works, you already know I love it, Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, okay? You want to use that. Again, dilute. Now, about to burn up your scalp out here in these streets. You trying to grow your hair. We're trying to glow up. You don't want to have patches everywhere. That's not the look that we're going for. So again, dilute both the apple cider vinegar and the peppermint soap with water. Last but not least, saving the best for last, in my opinion, Glover's Imperial Dandruff Control Medicine for the relief of itching and scaling of the scalp associated with dandruff. Okay, you want to shake well before using. It's almost a 3-ounce bottle, but again, as I've said before, with other products, a little goes a long way. I promise you, a little goes a long way. And it does smell very earthy. Since we always talk about the earthy, it's not the best to smell. Let me just say this, when it comes to like stuff that's gonna help me glow up, I don't really care about a smell or taste, especially if I know it's a temporary situation, because I'm trying to glow up, okay? So this does not smell the best. I went to the beauty supply store and a lady in there was like, I'm looking for Glover's Dandruff Control Medicine. And she was talking to the people in the store, but then she said to me, have you ever tried it? I said, no. She said, girl, it grows your hair. What you say, miss? Say no more. She said, it grows your hair. She said, it stinks. It stinks real bad. Her words exactly. She said, but this will grow your hair. I was like, oh, miss. I mean, I have thick hair. It's already hard. It's hard to deal with. But if it wants to be thicker, that's cool. I'm trying to get the gains with the hair too. You feel me? So I did buy it. And you guys, it says leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes before, no, sorry, 15 minutes to an hour before shampooing your hair, but I left it on a little bit longer than that. I think it said that, 15 to 30 minutes or an hour. I left it on longer, okay? And when I washed my hair, when I say that my scalp was clean, the lady that braided, twisted my hair was like, yeah, I don't see anything. This got my scalp so clean and it still feels good. And I really felt better after I got out the shower. I was like, oh, isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? That's how I felt. You know what I'm saying? I felt good. Now in 2019, they talking about bust down, Tatiana. Hey, bust down. My. Music has changed. Back to the matter at hand. This beautiful, don't look at my chip now. This beautiful bottle here, this beautiful product will get rid of your dandruff, guaranteed, okay? Guaranteed. I mean, well, maybe I shouldn't guarantee it, but if it doesn't, I'll be shocked. Okay, so try it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll be back with more for the Glow Up series. Thanks for tuning in. More to come, and I'll holla.